I've never experienced like this. This is my first time, and then performance was very good actually. I played many games here, and then I kind of liked it.
Compared to my old laptop here, I was able to there was no lagging, and it was much easier control. I just felt it was more efficient than my old laptop.
I couldn't feel a lag in that. It was just able to multitask all the things, and it was fast.
I personally found it that the 13th gen Intel was very faster and smoother, and I think it's better compared to the 12th gen.